Over the last 30 days, I have made over $2,000 creating portfolios for brands and individuals. And I have done it using only Claude AI and a secret platform that I will be showing you right here in this video during the actual process. No coding, no design degree, no expensive software subscriptions, just 2 tools, a repeatable process, and a service that people are paying real money for right now. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what I do, how I do it step by step, and how you can start offering this same service, even if you have never built a portfolio before in your life. So stay with me. This one is going to be detailed, practical, and worth every minute. But before we dive in, if you're new here, welcome to the Daniel Effect. This channel is all about real, practical ways to build income and create opportunities using the tools available to us today. If that is the kind of content you are here for, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And if you find value in what I share today, drop a like. It genuinely helps this channel grow and allows me to keep making content like this for you. Now, let's get into it. Let me give you some context on why this particular service works so well right now. There are millions of professionals who need portfolios: designers, developers, writers, photographers, marketers, consultants, fresh graduates, job seekers, and even small business owners who want to present their brand professionally online. The demand is enormous. But here is the problem most of these people face. They do not know how to build one, they do not have the time, or they simply do not know where to start. That gap right there is your opportunity. On platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, portfolio creation services are charging anywhere from $50 to $500 per project. With the AI-powered workflow I am about to show you, you can deliver a premium, professional result in under 2 hours. And the best part, your tools are either free or very low cost. Your overhead is nearly zero, which means almost everything you earn is profit. Let me introduce you to the 2 tools that make this entire operation possible. The first is Claude. Claude is an AI assistant built by a company called Anthropic, and it is one of the most capable AI tools available today for writing, reasoning, and content creation. Here is exactly what I use Claude for in this process: writing professional bios, crafting strong headlines, generating project descriptions, suggesting the right portfolio structure based on a client's profession, and polishing all of the content so it reads clearly and sounds impressive. Here is why this matters. Most people genuinely struggle to write about themselves. They either undersell, they go blank, or they write something that sounds stiff and generic. Claude eliminates that problem entirely. You give it the client's basic information, and within seconds it produces clean, professional, well-structured content that is ready to use. Here is how to get started with Claude. Step 1. Go to Claude.ai on your browser. Step 2. Click Sign Up. You can register using your Google account or your email address. Step 3. Verify your email and complete the short setup process. Step 4. You are in. The free plan gives you solid access to Claude's core features. However, if you're serious about using this as an income stream, I strongly recommend the Pro plan at $20 per month. It gives you more usage, access to Claude's most advanced model, and most importantly, access to the connectors feature, which I'll be showing you very shortly. That connector is what makes this workflow genuinely special. Your account is set up in under 2 minutes. Now let me reveal the secret platform. It is called Gamma. Gamma is an AI-powered page and presentation builder, and it is the best tool I have found for creating portfolios that look premium, modern, and completely professional, with zero design or coding skills required. What makes Gamma exceptional for this service is simple. The output looks like it was built by a professional designer. Clean layouts, beautiful typography, smooth sections, and it is delivered as a shareable link. Your client can send their portfolio to any recruiter, potential client, or brand partner instantly, and it displays perfectly on both mobile and desktop. Think about it. Most professionals are still sending outdated PDF resumes or static Word documents. When you hand a client a Gamma portfolio, they feel like they have invested in something premium. That perception is what justifies your price. Here's how to set up Gamma. Step 1. Go to gamma.app on your browser. Step 2, click Sign Up. You can register with your Google account or your email. Step 3, verify your account and complete the onboarding steps. Gamma will ask you a few questions about how you plan to use it. Just select the options that fit. Step 4, you're now inside the Gamma dashboard. Take a moment to explore the templates available. You will see options for presentations, documents, and web pages. For portfolios, we primarily work in a web page format. The free plan on Gamma is functional and a great starting point. As your income grows, the paid plan removes Gamma branding from your client deliverables, which gives everything a cleaner, more professional finish. Now here is where everything comes together, and this is the part most people do not know about. Inside the Claude app, there's a feature called connectors. Connectors allow Claude to link directly to external platforms and take actions on your behalf, without you having to switch back and forth between tools. One of those connectors is Gamma. And when you connect Gamma to Claude, you can build an entire portfolio, the content and the design, without ever leaving the Claude interface. Claude writes the content and sends it directly into Gamma to generate the portfolio. It is a genuinely seamless workflow. Here's how to set it up. Step 1. Open your Claude account and go to the left-hand sidebar. Look for the section that says Tools or Connectors. Click on it. Step 2. You will see a list of available connectors. Scroll through and find Gamma. Click on it. Step 3. Claude will prompt you to authorize the connection. Click Connect and log in with your Gamma account credentials when prompted. Step 4. Once connected, Gamma will appear as an active tool inside your Claude conversations. You will notice it listed at the bottom of your chat interface. Now Gamma and Claude are linked. Let me now walk you through the complete portfolio creation process from the moment a client reaches out to the moment you deliver. Step 1, client intake. Before you touch any tool, you need information from your client. I use a simple Google form or just ask these questions directly. What is your profession or industry? What are your top 3 to 5 skills? Can you describe 2 to 3 projects or achievements you're proud of? Do you have a photo, logo, or prefer brand colors? And finally, what is the purpose of this portfolio? Is it for job hunting, freelancing, or personal branding? This conversation takes about 5 to 10 minutes and gives you everything you need to get started. Step 2, generate the content with Claude. Open Claude and start a new conversation. Make sure your Gamma connector is active. You will see it listed among your tools at the bottom of the chat. Now take your client's information and type a prompt like this. I need you to create a professional portfolio for a graphic designer, name. They have 3 years of experience working with small businesses. Their top skills are branding, logo design, and social media graphics. They have worked on projects including Project 1 and Project 2. Please write a professional bio, a strong headline, individual project descriptions, a skills summary, and a call to action for the contact section. Then use the Gamma connector to build this into a clean, professional portfolio page. Claude will process your prompt, generate all the written content, and then, using the Gamma connector, automatically push that content into Gamma and begin building the portfolio layout. You will see Claude communicating with Gamma in real time. It selects a layout, populates the sections, and generates a shareable link for the finished portfolio. Step 3, refine inside Gamma. Once Claude has built the base portfolio in Gamma, open the link and review it. Inside Gamma, you can swap the color theme to match the client's brand. Add the client's profile photo and any project images they provided. Adjust fonts if needed. Rearrange sections by simply dragging them. And add any final details the client requested. This refinement step usually takes between 20 and 40 minutes, depending on how detailed the portfolio needs to be. Step 4, deliver to the client. Once you are satisfied with the result, copy the shareable link from Gamma and send it to your client. Walk them through what you have built. Offer 1 round of revisions as part of your service. This builds trust and almost always leads to referrals. Total time per portfolio from intake to delivery, roughly 1.5 to 2.5 hours. Now let's talk money, how to price this, and where to find paying clients. I recommend 3 tiers. Basic at $50 to $80, A clean single-page portfolio with a bio, skills section, and contact information. Perfect for students and entry-level professionals. Standard at $150 to $200. A full portfolio with project showcases, a professional bio, a headline, and polished design. This is your most popular package. Premium at $300 to $500. A comprehensive, multi-section portfolio with custom branding, LinkedIn profile optimization as a bonus, and 2 rounds of revisions. This is what brands and serious professionals pay for. Start with the basic package to build your first few reviews, then move up confidently. Now, here are places where you can find clients. Fiverr and Upwork are your fastest starting points. Create a gig. Use keywords like professional portfolio design, AI portfolio, and personal branding page, and let the platforms bring clients to you. LinkedIn is powerful for direct outreach. Post content showing before and after portfolio examples. Message people who have recently changed jobs, posted that they are open to work, or are actively building their personal brand. Facebook and WhatsApp groups focused on job seekers, freelancers, and young professionals are also gold mines, especially in our market here in Africa, where this service is still relatively new. Here is how to stand out from others. Build 2 or 3 sample portfolios before you start selling, even for fictional or personal contacts. Post them and let the quality of the work speak for itself. In a market where most people are delivering basic PDFs, a Gamma portfolio immediately sets you apart. And that is the full playbook. That is exactly how I made over $2,000 in the last 30 days, and how you can start building the same income stream using Claude and Gamma. You do not need a degree. You do not need startup capital. You need 2 tools, a process, and the decision to actually start. Now, if you got value from this video, and I genuinely believe you did, here is what I need from you right now. Hit the like button. It takes 2 seconds, and it tells the algorithm that this content is worth sharing with more people. Subscribe to The Daniel Effect if you're not already part of the community, because I am consistently dropping content that shows you how to build real income using the tools of today. And share this video with one person in your circle who needs to see it, because this information can genuinely change someone's financial situation. Drop a comment below and tell me, what type of client would you build your first portfolio for? I read every single comment and I will respond. I will see you in the next one. This is The Daniel Effect.